What's up you guys, this is Junior Trader and in this video we are taking a look at NIO stock. So let's do the technical analysis, and if you have seen my last video, we talked about $5.30 is the most important level for NIO to regain back up again to for the bulls to have the structure bullish. Now we have we have not been able to recapture that level. What does this mean now? Does NIO still has a potential to come back up, or if it needs to become bullish, what we need to see in the price action for NIO to come back to bullish? And why is it even is the structure bearish now? That's also a question, right? Like, or is it just a weakness little bit and it's not bearish, right? All these questions will be answered in this video for you guys. So with that, guys, please hit the like, subscribe. Also, please note, none of this is any financial advice and it's only for education purposes. Also, I would suggest, if you are interested in following along with me on my dividend building portfolio journey, check this channel out of mine. You can find the link to this in the description of this video as well. And that is Junior Trader Dividend Investing channel. All right. So let's talk about NIO. All right. So what are we seeing, guys? $5.30 was important for us to get out and above of to keep the level as in the bullish structure. This was a bullish structure, right? Yes, we did form a double top here in the supply zone, and we were trying to hold 20 days moving average, but to confirm a continuation to the upside, we had to get above $5.30. That was the resistance zone acting, right? And previous demand zone turned into a resistance zone, and you can see sell-off was coming there. So unfortunately, NIO did not go above $5.30, and I said that if we lose this 20 days moving average and lose even like $5.04, this will come lower. We came down to the next level of $4.78. Now what, right? Is the structure okay? Let's take a look. First question, is the structure still bullish? And the answer to that is no. Structure is not bullish. Why so, Junior Trader, you ask? Okay, here's the thing. Lower high, lower low pivots are already in the place now. So yeah, and we have lost 20 days moving average. Yeah, we are lower highs, lower lows, guys. The structure is bearish. If we would have held $5.30 and above, then this would have still stayed in the bullish structure, and yeah, things could have gone up. But right now, okay, first thing is answered. No, it's not in bullish structure. Now, second thing, is it just the weakness, or NIO is in the bearish structure? Well, the answer to that is NIO is in the bearish structure. Nothing is stopping it from continuing lower. If we lose $4.78, unfortunately, this can again come down to all-time lows of $3.61 or so. Unfortunately, yeah, I know that. I know it. I know it. Your feelings already now. Or you're like, oh no, damn it, this thing again. Yeah, this thing again. All right. That's the reality, guys. Also, on hourly interval, we are seeing that we tried to go above 200 hours moving average. You can see a huge sell-off over here, right? And we have been constantly rejecting that, and you can see we are in the lower structure, guys. So yes, it's in the downward structure, and that's what I said in my previous video. The loss of this level of $5 will just open up the Pandora box, right? And will come down to the next level. And yeah, $5.30 staying above that, getting above that was very important, which NIO failed to do. Also failed to go above 200 hours moving average, right? Now, another question is, what NIO has to do to become bullish again? To get into the bullish structure from here, what we have to see going into this week? Well, if this week we can, it's okay, it's not going to be bullish if it stays above $4.78 but fails to get above $5.04. If we want to see NIO getting bullish this week in the direction of bullishness, NIO needs to get above $5.04 and close a daily candle above $5.04. That may start to bring in some confidence. Otherwise, no. So where will that put us? So that will be a start. Going above $5.04 will be a start in the uptrend already. Again, if NIO can do that. Otherwise, that very level can also act as a resistance if you're not able to get above that. So let's say NIO is rebounding. Don't get excited too early, okay? Because that may just come up $5.04, and that's still just a resistance right now, okay? So this may just sell off. Your excitement should only come if it gets above $5.04 and closes a day above that. And then eventually we have to get above 200 hours moving average, but that will be a start to form a bullish structure again. Yeah, right now, unfortunately, guys, structure is bearish on NIO. That's the answer to all of your questions. All right. Let's take a look at weekly interval as well. And you can see, yeah, the thing has been rejecting still 20 weeks moving average, failing to go higher and above that. This potential of inverted head and shoulder, the chances of it are looking lower now, unfortunately, guys. Yeah, as I said, we need to get above this $5.30. We gotta close above that to get out of the resistance zone. Otherwise, no. You can see from the past, like it has been rejecting this 20 weeks moving average here, 20 weeks moving average here. Yes, we had a time that we did go up, but that was a good run up as well. I did take some, I mean, well, you know, I had my long position on NIO that I already closed. I ended up taking a loss on that some time ago, but any spikes I would get, I would just sell. I would just sell. And just like me, others were also selling, guys. People who are tired of holding whatever money we could get, we were just getting out of it, right? And yeah, that's what I was doing. I wish I got fully out here at 16. I didn't get fully out, but yeah, then I got some out at this spike. Again, I was biting my teeth. I was like, oh, $9. Then some position actually got out at $6 almost, around $7 actually. No, well, yeah, I think around this area, because then I said, okay, I'll only talk about NIO when it comes back, some structure starts to form to the upside. I don't have any position on NIO, just so you know. I'm just covering because I received a lot of requests from you guys to cover NIO. That's why I'm covering NIO. Alrighty. Well, okay. Well, guys, that's it. And I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.